Welcome back, Tools and Twisties. We focus on precision tools and performance cars. Today in the foreground we have this gorgeous 720S McLaren Spider. Amazing car. We'll do some video content on that coming up soon. In the background we have the new Icon triple stack chest and the US General Service cart. We did a quick toolbox tour of this before, but we're going to do a full toolbox tour of this very soon. This box actually is set up really nicely now, but it's all going to be ripped apart so that we can do a full build out on this Icon box and convert the US General box into more of a true service cart. But today we're going to focus on a new tool that I picked up yesterday. It is the Harbor Freight Icon 1/4 inch bit and socket set. It seems to be very popular right now. It's getting a lot of internet attention, and I thought we'd do a quick review and compare it to some other similar tools. Talk about its $80 price tag and whether or not it's a good deal at that price. Okay, it is Icon 70695. It wasn't on their website until late yesterday. I think it was if you search for the specific number, but it wasn't if you just looked under 1/4 inch tools, for instance. It is a 52-piece SAE and metric set with a ratchet, a handle, sockets, bits, some extensions. It's a nice little kit, and it folds up into a nice little tray. I'll just pull that out for now so I can show you how it folds. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's included in this, what the quality is, whether it's worth the $80 price tag. That seems to be the real question. We'll also compare it to some other kits. We have the Kobalt kit, which is almost identical. It's a 50-piece kit. It comes with a slightly different, slightly larger 1/4 inch ratchet and two less pieces, but it still comes with the extensions and the universal joint and the bits and the sockets in both SAE and metric. Maybe we'll also compare it to the Wera Tool Check Automotive. I love these kits. They have fewer sockets, and this one's metric only. They come in SAE or metric. For me, I'm almost entirely metric, so having a kit that includes SAE sockets isn't really a big advantage to me. This particular one does not come with a handle. Some of them do, but I prefer these Wera ratcheting handles, so we'll talk about that a little bit too. And we'll talk a little bit about the previous Icon 1/4 inch bit set, the Wiha bit set, which I think is an amazing little set. It comes with no sockets, but how you can maybe make it more similar to this. We also have some upcoming videos. We're going to have a new series called Tool Wars, where we're going to compare head-to-head some very specific tools. Like, for instance, this is the Knipex twin grip pliers, really great pliers, and these are the Icon sort of clones of the Knipex twin grip. Super similar. Price is not as different as you might think. Is it worth the price difference to buy the Knipex? We'll talk about that in an upcoming. Make sure you subscribe and like if you want to see that. Another tool war we have coming up is going to be this snap-on 1/4 inch ratchet. Great little ratchet, but you know what? This Astro 1/4 inch ratchet, $12. I think $118. Is it worth the price difference for the snap-on versus the Astro? Is the Astro any good? Tool War is coming up. So back to this Icon set. What do we got? We have a non-ratcheting bit 1/4 inch driver. Some people thought it might be ratcheting because they call it a spinner. It is non-ratcheting. Comes with a little 1/4 inch socket wrench, and it's flex head. Flex head is kind of nice. Some people were disappointed that it wasn't a pass-through or a 1/4 inch bit set with an adapter for 1/4 inch. This is definitely not. It is a 1/4 inch only. If you want to drive bits through it, you have to take out the little adapter and put it on, and then you can connect the bits to it. So you don't get a super low clearance. Takes up some space. It does come with sockets. Some people have argued that the price point maybe is justified because it comes with Icon sockets. Well, I also have a set of Icon 1/4 inch sockets that I bought previously right here. And I was curious, are they the same sockets, Icon 1/4 inch sockets? So this is the 14 millimeter from the set I bought directly. And this is the 14 millimeter that came with the kit. They are close, but they are definitely not the same sockets. Do they come out of the same factory? Maybe. The stampings are different. One is a little bit thicker on the outside than the other. And I would say that if you buy this with the assumption that you're getting the identical sockets that you get if you buy the Icon kit sockets or the Icon sockets separately, double check, make sure, see what you think. Similarly, it comes with some Icon extensions. Those have some value. I happen to have some other extensions here. This is a Pittsburgh extension, total, inexpensive, cheap extension. I have a Koken extension, and I have a snap-on extension. So just how good is the Icon extension? We have a Koken 1/4-inch ratchet here, one of my favorites. And so you put the Icon on it, and there's not an unreasonable amount of play, but definitely some play on there. You throw on the Pittsburgh, and there's sort of a wild amount of play. So definitely better than the Pittsburgh. Let's compare it to the Koken. Now, admittedly, this is a Koken ratchet it's going on, so it's designed to be mated up, but wow, that's nice. Very little play. Not as nice as the Koken. Let's look at it compared to the Snap-on. And if you look at the design, it clearly is mimicking the Snap-on. The knurling is very similar. The ends are very similar. It is designed to look like the Snap-on and designed to function like the Snap-on. Does it function like the Snap-on? I would say no. It's not as tight on there as the Snap-on. Again, this is a 1/4-inch ratchet. A little bit of play is not that big of a deal. But I guess my point is that if you're paying $80 and you think you're getting Icon, super premium quality, near Snap-on quality, maybe so, maybe no. It's good. I would say it's not great. I think it's interesting maybe to compare it to this Kobalt set. Kobalt set is literally half the price. Really almost identical. Let me just see. This is, make sure you get the right extension back in there. Kobalt set comes with the same handled spinner, comes with a different ratchet. This comes with a standard 1/4-inch ratchet, doesn't have a flex head, but it's a little bit longer. Which one is your preference kind of depends on what you're doing with it. It's nice to have the flex head for sure, but it's also nice to have the additional length and beef of a little bit bigger ratchet if you're actually trying to do something where you're loosening something. This one used to have a pass-through head on it, so you could use it, make it into a T-handle. No longer has that capability. It does have a little bit driver on the end here, so I suppose you can throw some sort of extension on there maybe and make it longer. Not sure how you would do that. But at any rate, I would say it's a wash. Which one is nicer? Back drag is so-so. Back drag is worse. It's actually really quite a bit of back drag on the Icon. The flex head is definitely nice though. It's nice to have that. So I would say the sockets or the ratchet is a wash. The drive handle, different shapes, essentially the same thing. By the way, Icon made in Taiwan. Kobalt, I thought, well, maybe it's made in China, but nope. In fact, it is made in Taiwan. I'd be willing to bet these come out of the exact same factory, that these are more or less the exact same set with slightly different branding, obviously a slightly different ratchet choice. But $45, actually I've seen these on eBay for like $30 or $25 versus $80. It's a little hard to justify that price. If you're just an Icon fan, you love the Icon name, sure, go for it. In terms of, box size, really close. I guess the Kobalt is slightly bigger. It does irritate me a little bit. I think the purpose of one of these, also this has this sort of funny lay down thing, but I don't quite understand the purpose of it. You can't lock it down, and when you close it, it stays up. So what's sort of the point of that? I'm not quite sure. Let's look at some other stuff. The Wera Tool Check. This is one of my favorites. The ratchets are definitely smaller on these, but it is a pass-through ratchet, and it's just really nicely made. I think that the Wera Tool Check stuff comes with a little bit extension. It comes with a smaller selection of sockets, but a bigger selection of bits. And I think the bits seem higher quality than the bits that you're getting in the Icon set. Wera makes really top-notch stuff. These are made, German company, but made in the Czech Republic. But I really like this Tool Check Automotive. This particular one does not come with a handle, and I kind of purposely got it that way because I really like these new Wera ratcheting handles. They are just freaking awesome. That They spin so nicely, and then you can just reach down there and turn it and make it go the other way and put it in the middle position, and it kind of locks in both directions. Super, super nice. So the combination of these two over this, this is about 75 bucks. This is 80 bucks. So maybe it's slightly more expensive with the fancy Wera handle, but pretty similar in price. You know, my vote all day, every day, I'm taking the Wera, but I don't need SAE sockets either. If you need SAE sockets, then maybe this is the choice for you. What else do we have? This is the previous Icon meme kit. This one is actually really super small, and I think that's really the nice thing about it is how small it is, that you can take this thing and throw it anywhere. So what do you get with the bigger kit? Well, you get the sockets, which may or may not be as good as the regular Icon sockets. I think you can buy a set of Icon sockets pretty inexpensively. My choice, and by the way, some people had asked if these sockets that came with these were any sort of low profile. They are not. For instance, these are Koken Z-Series low-profile sockets, and they are much smaller. You know, if you look at a 14 millimeter on this Z-Series versus the 14 millimeter on the Icon, it's quite a bit different. So, you know, you spring for these Icon or these Zeal sockets, these Koken Z-Series sockets, and maybe you combine it with this, and you have one heck of a metric setup. I think better than this. Maybe a little bit more expensive. I'm not sure if you can get this for, it's probably more like 50 bucks for this set of sockets. So that's the Icon bit set. Wiha also makes a nice little bit set, and maybe this is really even a better choice than the Icon one. It doesn't have the extension, doesn't have the flex head, but it has a super nice small ratchet, high quality. This is made in Germany. It has got a high quality ratchet, an extension, and you know, you throw one of these on with a bit adapter. And you have a heck of a micro ratchet setup. And the combined size of something like this, pretty small. So there's also a ton of other little tools that you can use for your little go bag. I have a couple of them here. The new Knipex tiny little Raptors, awfully nice. The Klein flip sockets. Boy, you combine this, you forget sockets entirely, and you combine this with something like the Wiha or this Icon, or even just a little T-handle like this with a set of bits, and all of a sudden you have a pretty good go bag. These you can just flip off and have 4 different size sockets. They make it with 6 sizes as well. They make it in metric, they make it in standard. That is a quality toolkit. Maybe you combine that, and that locks, by the way, and very little play on that. Maybe you combine that with a, you know, a bit ratchet from Titan, and now all of a sudden, you know, you got some pretty good stuff going on. Super low back drag, high tooth count. Let's see, we also have the Wera little stubby bit holder screwdriver, super nice. So I think if you take some of that stuff, maybe you take the, you know, the Wiha socket set, the Wiha bit set, I mean, and if I can find it, well, the Wiha bit set with the ratchet, there it is, the ratchet in there. Throw that in your go bag. Maybe you throw in a set of Koken Z-Series sockets, maybe this Klein bit handle. Everybody needs a good knife. Throw a knife in there. These little Tone ratchets are super cool. Look at how small they are. Pretty inexpensive. I think these are like 25 bucks. You can combine it with a breaker bar to get a long handle. There's your flex head right there if you need it. Now let's throw that in there. Zip that up. And I don't know, about the same price point, which would you rather have? You know, there's something nice about the preset kit and the Icon. If you don't want to think about how you're going to put anything together, you want to just buy something. Or if you get it on sale, maybe 20% off fairly frequently. Maybe when they do a 40% off Icon socket set, who knows if they'll do that anytime soon, but whether this will be included. Sure, 40% off, I'm buying this, throwing it in the pickup truck or somewhere in my toolbox. I like it. 80 bucks full price. For me, I think it's a pass. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer this up. We're gonna give away this icon kit here. After 2 weeks, anyone who likes and subscribes, after 2 weeks, we're going to randomly draw from my videos and give this kit away to a random person who has liked and subscribed. But you shouldn't just like and subscribe because of that. You should like and subscribe because of all the great content we have coming up, the toolbox tours, the tool wars. If you want to hear more about the cars, we'll do some additional videos on that. Pretty amazing. And other than that, again, we do precision tools and performance cars here at Tools and Twisties. And we hope to see you back soon. Thanks.